Hi guys, this is a quick video of what I've been working on this weekend. Actually built it yesterday, but yeah, as you can see it's a custom built paint stand that I built out of some MDF board bits and pieces. So I've been looking around recently to see what sort of paint stand and bits and pieces were available. So but in the end I decided to sort of make one myself, and so I must apologise for the shaky cam. I can't put the camera up on a stand or anything just to get all the pictures in, so I have to be a shaky cam for a bit. So yeah, essentially I decided to build one myself. So what I did first was I created a plan of what I was going to do. I actually used SketchUp, which is a 3D drawing program. I use it every day, so I might as well use it to do hobby work, bits and pieces there. So basically I worked out a plan, worked out the 3D model just to make sure everything went together how I wanted it to go together. So I had a plan to go with, so I had all the dimensions and bits and pieces. So what I had to do is just go out and buy a board. So I managed to find a local sort of wood supplier, and they had loads of offcuts. And I'll put up some pictures of sort of work in progress at the end of this video. But essentially I bought an offcut from that shop. It only cost me £3.50 for the board, which was great. I've still got sort of more than half of the board left, so if I wanted to make another stand or something, I've got enough there to do it. So basically, yeah, so I just borrowed some tools from my father and sort of proceeded to sort of put bits and pieces together, and then sort of glued it all together yesterday, and yeah, quite happy with the results really. Have a look around on the side, you can see the sort of how it went together. I was thinking maybe I might do like another triangle bit to sort of cover the cuts and stuff. They're not the greatest cuts in the world, so I'll probably do that just to tidy things up, but it's quite tidy as it is. So the stand I made is sort of 9 per rack, so I can get sort of 45 colours up on there, which is not my complete range of colours, but it's enough just to sort of get going. And as I come around the back here, these are the paints I took off just to see what the construction of it looks like. But as I go down, basically you can see underneath there, with the rest of my paints I can sort of store them underneath as well. So there's enough room to sort of put a lot of stuff in there as well. So I've only got 45 on the show, but I could probably stick another sort of, maybe another 30 or so paints underneath. And I've got a few paints from different manufacturers, different sizes and so on. So yeah, so basically that's what I've been doing. As I say, I'll put some pictures up, sort of work in progress pictures, as I went along. So yeah, hopefully you like the idea. Please leave some comments below. I'd like to hear anyone sort of what anyone thinks about it. Yeah, so that's cool. So that's what I've been doing. So thanks again, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.